how to fix GTA 5 application was unable to start correctly, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do, just right click here on GTA 5, then go to properties. After that, click compatibility, and then now once you're here, all you need to do, just go to change settings for all users, and now turn on this option. You'll find it like that. Just turn it on, then select Windows 7, and now enable those two options, disable full screen, and run this program as an administrator, and click OK and OK again. And after that, all you need to do, just shut down your PC, turn off your PC, and then turn it on, and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.